Welcome to Desklog, your ultimate productivity companion. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create projects effortlessly using the Desklog app. To get started, navigate to the Project section from the menu on the left side. Click on Project List from the submenu. Now let's create a new project. Click on Create Project from the dashboard. Here you'll need to enter some essential details for your project. Fill in the project name and client name. You can also add a new client by clicking on Add Client at the end of the drop-down menu. Enter the client name and email and click on Add. Then choose the visibility option, whether it's private or public. For advanced options, click on Advanced option. To set the project's priority and end date, once you've filled in all the necessary details, click on Create to finalize your project. Now we can assign users to the created project. Select the Access button from the top right corner. Here you can see whether the project visibility is set as public or private. If the visibility is public, project will be open to all. If the visibility is private, project will be visible to assigned users only. If the project is private, you have to add users to it. Click on Add Members in the drop-down menu. You can select users and assign to the project. Click on Add. And there you have it. Your new project is now created and ready to go.